So you were trying to work on your summer body, but you just didn't get it in time. Because I mean, we're in spring. If you don't got it, you ain't gonna get it. Let's be real. This is how you can supplement that. Just be funny. Just show up a little stuff like this. I have a toothpick. The toothpick magically disappeared and reappears. So easy. All I needed to do was tape a toothpick, match a little bitty stick, whatever you got, put some tape on, hold it like this, and it disappeared. It reappears. You can see my tape. So if you do this better than me, you know you don't got to work on a summer body. 1 second. Doing a little unboxing video here too. I don't know what this could be. Dude, what the fuck is this made out of? Oh shit. A little USB drive. I guess I'm gonna put this in my computer and see what this is. It says it likes my shirt. Alright, so if you too have good tastes in shirts, I know where you can go. You can go to sillyshirtstore.com right now. I'm gonna put it in the link in the description, and also it's just super easy to spell. Sillyshirtstore.com. You can get stuff like this. This is a heater. Sonic the Hedgehog telling you to eat shit. You know what it is, man. If you guys like this, please hit a like. Go ahead, follow me. Turn on my post notifications because I don't exactly have like an upload schedule. I just know I'm gonna do 2 a month. I don't know when it's happening, so if you don't want to miss any of them, make sure that you got those notifications turned on. This is Johnny Picante, and I'm out.